Good morning guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have a very special one right now. It's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. And in case when you're here, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Road to success, and also don't skip ads. You know that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So right now I'm shooting these videos early in the morning. It's on Monday, as I think, because let me check. You know, it's around 9:30, and today it's on Monday, date 10 of November, and you can see how things shining from this corner here. I'm trying to think about my mom's dream house, how could be finished up and everything. Anyway, let me take you there, and at the same time I will handle my bike for the next guy, because yesterday the guy returned the bike, and also people need job outside here, so he bought a new bike and he returned my bike, which I appreciate, because there's nothing happened bad, you know. Sometimes even me today, when I buy maybe things, I'll turn other things to the owner, but I forget about that. So maybe on this vlog you'll see me handling that my first bike to another guy. So let me take you there, you know, see how people working, you know, move up and down. You have some birds. Good morning, my birds. Oh, they are moving up and down. Hey, you know, sometimes guys, I was working, you know, running the projects of my mama at the back side over there. I'm in border town, I'm in home, you know, like never before. So anyway, this is my bike, and anytime I will release my videos, it was not like the way they are. It was totally mess, broken, and I fixed it, you know, so the video is out, you know, anytime I will release it. So I'm heading border town right now with that guy. I want to wash them. I put the gas for maybe for $2, so they can, you know, give my mama some little change, you know. Look, things are in totally mess. Look, you know, when somebody returns to your bike with a like, even me, I guess that guy never washed this bike. Look, he messed up. But anyway, all in well, may I thank God my bike is back at home. So let me see them. Let me see them. Mama, rote ukiona hari rule remu engineer. Manda umo ndani. Kurure remu engineer. Uone kuna kamba. Grupu tatu zimefungwa vijiturusha pale nyuma. Umo ndani. Kubitunda. I was talking with my mama. There's some ropes. Mason want to use it. You know. So anyway guys, in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Oh my god, at the same time I'm so speechless, simply because I want to work right, left, center, so to make sure that you know, people get paid, and also my project's moving on. Woo, cha-cha.
How is it?
I'm good. So I want to handle my bike to you. Yeah. Not this one. Honda. Eh? Hey. Richie. Vipi? Hali chonjo. Hey. If you pay people money every day, they forget to come to work. So my friend, he was telling me, like, you know, people didn't attend. Tata nini kinakosa? Wewe ndo Mkristo You're not be here on Saturday. Kamba zinakuja. Mama. Njombe humu. Gini. Tamu ngosere sauti radio. So you see people are working there. Umu ndani. So I'm telling you, sometime we communicate with my mama on this side. Mayo. Hapo kuna kamba. Hey. Hey. Oh my God. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
From a distance. Okay. This is the key for my bike. Anyway. Haya. Tata Joffrey. Yes. Kamba yako ni hii.
Yeah.
Kweli urongo?
Good.
Eh.
My rock.
Yako ni hii.
Everybody is another car, eh?
Yes, I know the car. Haya tata, wewe yako ni hii kwa. Uwe. Si ni mbili uliongeza bwana? Eh. Moja.
Jibu lenye nataka.
Hapo ni moja iliongezwa tata Jofu. Hapo ni kozi moja iliongezwa tu. Hata si upigi ulijenga ukafikisha hapo. Sasa ni moja waliongeza. Kike bye.
Sasa kwa nini tichira aso hecho ya kutuna?
Yeah.
Chia wapatie udongo mwanzo. Chia lichadia kuamba tichira aso ya.
Usitano. Ya chile.
Kana poni kitu si upige.
Ya chile.
So guys, let me show you the importance of these timbers that I split. You know, is to create this table. You see, and this is one of my friends support me. You know, it's known as Mabunda. Men at work. And let me stand here. Anyway, because of sun. Say men at work. Say my men at work. Men at work. Yeah. Engineer. Mambo shwari. Kama kawa. Bonge.
Kama kawa, kama dawa. Niaje?
Ndio ndo mtu mhevi hapo patio Mabunda.
Hello guys. Unajua mimi ndio mtu mrefu hapa.
Mnono.
Mrefu kwa wote. Cheki, chukua. Chukua kadude kajiwe, niingishia hapo hivi.
Okay. Nipo.
Fresh barida.
Sema kimeumana. Kimeumana. Sema kimeumana.
Kimeumana.
Yeah. And right here I have the music. This one here. Anyway guys, I'm rushing to handle that bike. I'll go and man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally confused. It's supposed to pass here, but it's this side here. Ilichumona manipawa. Amekula hadi alisahau kuja kazi.
Ajaja leo.
Wapi alipita huko. See. Hey, there's some blocks. Another one here. Even I bought new axle. Haya, kumbe nonare na rojoni. Angai mroli nete. Hapo noge kakore.
Yumbe usahaya.
Hajivatore. So guys, we are heading to make sure that yesterday I put some bearing things like that, and also other stuff. So the video is out. Anytime I will raise it, and then you see how people return my bike in a broken way. And also I'm so disappointed on that, Yeah. Como que por aí de ingrerengue nada taco aqui. Ma muno. Kanye bintu bepone kama nigeri. Moyo. Ni. Aso ikali. Nondoro igore en tank. Mama tamoy bang. Ukata ma block. Atu boleh kira yang toro po hai. Ya.
Goni gure sawe.
Na yang toro tu boleh kibo nyumo po hai. Sasa tige kenye. Jeni badisha tank.
Maana oil badisha lini? Maana sababu
oil imo.
Sababu mbe tingutra.
Ano akinyumo eri gono vene.
Mbe tingutra ko kenye bigi. Akutango hapa.
Agera nganda ko turo anse kazi.
Mimi shida kuweka hata yapi. Kwani kwa mimi ama 150 katosha.
Chen kwa kia 200.
Reje.
Aya, tuende basi osho. Kwa stima. Niliweka breki ya nyuma mpya. Kana tu ili visuru check yo mai. Nilibadilisha hapa karibuni. Kiomba kote kwenye visika. Na kia kwa visika.
Sawa tayari.
Usije kupiga full tank. Tanki na kevore ilipasuka sehemu. Usiniguru siri.
Nda ruhusi.
Samwe hai. Yaani uweze weka mafuta 2000 humo.
Ndio. 500 mbakeke kwa. Arigato. Sawa.
Haya, twende na kuja.
Hano tokogera.
Take ako para. So we have already confirmed the bike is okay. Let me go and wash it, and then I put the gasoline for $2 for the starting, and then you bring money day by day. Is there somebody who I know? You know, before I handle to you a bike, I must know you from A to Z. You know, yeah. Okay. So guys, we shall meet in Border Town. Okay guys, we are outside and we are still going on. So at least when you're handling bike to someone else, make sure it's okay, clean, and it has at least gasoline for the starting, you know. That's my bike. I'm telling you guys, outside here people need job, and at the same time there's no job here, so we are hustling day by day to make sure that our dream comes to reality. Construction is right there. So we meet the tarmac road and we are heading to Border Town right now. I'm telling you guys, you know, guys, me I wanna say, as long as I'm alive, and I use my brain well, like to maintain my bike. It's very, you know, very nice to me, very unique. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is Caveta right there. On this side here, that's where I reach high border towns. Yes, my people, it's all morning in border town, and we are pushing like never before. Kasongo. Okay. We are moving. We are moving. People hustling. Fish are hanging there. Right. Hustle for real, guys. Look at that. Okay. So anytime we want to meet the car wash for the bike and all stuff, you know. Whoa. Okay. Uliosha vizuri. Ile siku ulioshaga ya haraka haraka.
Naosha vizuri.
This is the car wash. Ulipata pesa yako ama ukupata?
Nilipatia.
Yes.
Na wacha nimpanguzie alafu nioshe saa hii.
Ini salah sana iPhone. Aku mau kule tu, kule jamaa. Mana uone? Kamu tani kumuli. Muone viko kulia. Kabisa na nyama. Okay. So I need this bike to be washed. No. Yule jamaa ananioshaga aliendaga wapi? So this is the machine here. Car wash machine. Hey, look that bike. That's family bike. Guys, try to imagine, look at this bike. Nyama mwingi. Pressure mmeweka ni nyingi bana. Tumpunguze pressure. Atapunguza hapo. Hiyo ni ya magari. Ya vijiji gari kwa kuambua rangi. Hata pikipiki. Lakini operation punguze ni nyingi. Ipo bebe. Era na ramiore malimu. Okay, we wanna wash our bike and then we keep moving on. Guys, now the bike is clean. At least you see, you know. Hey, okay. The only thing remaining here is to put the gasoline on, then bike keep running, you know. Haha. So maybe we shall meet at home, you know. Now things are okay. Hi. So guys, I'm in shop. I want to buy sugar and also some snack for the fundis. Actually, I'm around in Bora town. Ayo, hakuna ile nyeupe.
Hii ni nyeupe ndani.
Ni sawa. Hai.
Gani ingine?
Down iko.
Down iko.
Ona ile.
Gani?
Ile kale kachupa.
Ile Star Soft. Ile ni Star Soft.
Yes, ndio hiyo.
Kale kadogo ni 150 yenye inapata hata hii.
Hiyo ni maifa.
Sire naona ni 350 ama mimi ndio sioni. Kwenye kona huko.
Hii kubwa hivi. Usual 380. Nilete.
Nipe. Lakini yenye na harufu nzuri.
Ninakupa zote alafu niambie.
Si wewe ndio umefua mama, unajua yenye na harufu nzuri.
Ninapenda hii.
Nipe sasa. Haya. Imekuwa ngapi? Nadhani imefika 1000.
Mom, it's Damasa.
Haya.
Damasa.
Hey, umeitoa wapi?
3.
Mama.
So I need to spill my medicine right now. Gasolino here in Shell right here. Okay, and then we shall meet home. Say hello.
Hello.
This song I bought for me, this Kangomo.
He's a good guy. I am manpower.
And I give you. You
I'm
hijacked the
also
medicine.
working in this site. So guys, as you are seeing
Today
me,
you are something else.
Yeah, today-
You enjoy the month that I give you. You are working
the
here.
Bokenda is umaring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wacha onye
How
kazi.
are you calling
Ni
it?
sawa. Imagine guys, I was working with him for so long. Sometimes when they are saving money, one day they enjoy. Me, I said no problem. No problem on that. Mango bande lunch. Kwani umanu kuhira? Hono. Tata Joffrey nani kiongozi wenu? Unajenga. Najua.
Kumbuka Joffrey, hata ukijenga hiyo na msalaba hapo.
Mimi nakuja hapo.
Baki na mteremko wa hivi.
Shika hivi.
Songa mbele.
Ameenda.
Alikuwa anatengeneza maandazi jamani. Hii karatasi ni yake.
Sisi wananunua kwa supermarket.
Zinakuwepo za kuja kupakia maandazi.
Hii ni Kenya.
Kaenda atafiti ya kwanza.
Songa. We raise up the wall. Mama ndio atema tasaka yao mno hivi. Nichora. Mbale take nyero. Yangu.
Ngoja ende nje pale kuna kamera.
Yangu. Pikipiki ishaenda.
Uguri.
Kwana yangu hizi broku zinakaje? Kuna moja kubwa. Maka mara ligenda ndani.
Wana wapi na kuitisha mabroku hayo? Naitisha 5.
Sasa 559, unajua 59 tekara kinye moba.
Na 5.
Eno ni booster.
Ni the same.
Nimekosa kareka kitu.
Uvokare ni ngabe, ni uvokare. Mahucha.
Na kuyegoro.
5 angalia sindizo nyingi.
Na 69.
Ni kidogo.
So here we are raising the wall in Africa. Kana ngota kinyiri hala mzi.
Mungu tunansonge kuye sasa.
Hello baby.
Kamba mungu tunaondoka kuna ayara tirie kamba. Kanana radio.
Kakore radio, turengo.
Yaani unaona? Bonge mimi nakuangaliaga na chika.
Unaniangalia? Unacheka kwamba mimi ni kichao.
Wewe ni kimoda. Kale kuyumbisha tu kagumba.
Kanini?
Kale unaona kale.
Bonge bwana ni wote mehana hii mkere.
Kuniona wakati naumwa. Alipokuja na ile mwanamke wa kule.
Alaka mwanamke kalikuwa kajinga. Eti siku ya niko free ananiambia hiyo ndio wakudatemu.
Kaliolewa huko Sirali.
Sikalikuwa kameolewa.
Kalitoka kakaolewa pengine.
Hiyo ndo 58.
Ni mama kuja kukuona mpaka.
Asa 58.
Sasa mtu anakuja
Kiko mani, ya mbote me broki mwigo.
Yeah.
Broki moja juu.
Tuongeze. Ngochongo tiri.
Ni mukaniri.
Umanyi ninge.
Ni mukani. Kana mbere nta hwere.
Umanyi retabu hali yako. Ichi frame. Amadirisha ko no anyori sawa. Lakini frame ya ndani yako kyo toka anyori Kenya. Mpaka acha kurantera umuntu kula Tanzania. Acha kukuhondera hano. Usogende kukulementu kyo Tanzania. Ningukotebe.
Sasa kama ni 58 mmeka. Situnaweka rinto. Situnaweka tena kozi 3. Nimemwambia iko sawa.
Utambe Hibrani.
Just okay.
Tongere kabisa. Mau hansi hanga.
Kana cha kawaida lego hano gachiku ke kozi ne mwisho. Enu gai. Mwingirero nta. Look, that one is the end of the product. Height. So we're remaining with the Rinto, guys. Only steel bar. Giving me headache. If I could have that one, one touch. Even me, guys, I'm trying my best, you know. Pushing. Ona kwa kona pale. Pushing day by day. You know, look. And now I'm telling you since yesterday, neighbors will get surprised. Look. I'm telling you guys, porridge is around the corner. Hatu nyora gantoko. Mkure nani. You buy what you want to buy for the fundis, man. Yeah. They're mvunduchi. Touch. People are so hungry here.
I'm so very hungry. I want to take that porridge.
Kata Zakayo. Kuja ako mwita.
Kama vile sunde
this porridge, and also I bought for them mandazi, you know. Collect the sun. Kuma no sense. Ukikusanya hii unapeleka huko kumuhegora nichogani. I'm telling them to collect. Na hata torekera hano kusho. Hata vavere.
Agusira tera asiri.
Sijasema itaisha. Ushanielewa?
Tuje bavere.
Kwa
hiyo nina uwe menumanye.
Sere kusuketo kiro. Ama utaki.
Nataka sana.
Ai kamu. Ani kiro tadro ko agira batano boss. Papere bono emo papere.
Bapere. Ono ke hajira rutoge mombe.
Nana kubikiro gimu nke sana ke buri sukari na kurige. Washing clothes. Anyway, now I'm finishing taking my breakfast, so it's time to go to my mom's construction. Oh. Now here, first come, first serve. The more you plant earlier, the more you harvest earlier. So we harvest beans. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Say hello. Anyway, that's my bike, and I'm heading to the construction site. Now I'm dealing by pushing step by step, you know. The good thing about me, I don't want to harass the mason and also engineer. Let them down the parts, and also the rest I'll do it I personally. So the good thing that I need is to have good quality like wall, you know. So that's how things they are. Hey, yeah, nice view. And I think this side, this side have more view than this during noon time, but at evening time this side have good view than that. It's alternates, and I'm telling you, Africa, maybe it's #1 in terms of beautification of the green scenery, green nature, you know, view and vibe. But I don't judge maybe other country. It's matter where you are, you know. There's a cow here grazing. Whew. Let me relax here a little bit, and then we keep pushing, you know. Oh my god, because I was you know, drinking hot tea. That's your boy. Whew. So guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, very happy, I myself, because when I see day by day, just wake up, I'm still alive, and I say, God, thank you. My work is to push the wall of Africa, you know. Now today neighbors will be see the house. Even when I'm sitting here between this house cow over here, right there, but I think on camera you can see, even me when I'm pointing, I see the wall. So when I go closer, you see. And it's because sometimes, you know, I treat good in terms of maybe breakfast, lunchtime. I need them to do you know, a fantastic job. Instead of maybe Mason run from here going to the Nyabohanse center looking for the breakfast, coming back lunchtime, the same thing, you know. That's of like, because of you know, walking distance and the duration of time we waste. So maybe around 10 minutes could maybe taking breakfast and then resume to the work, you know. 5 minutes breakfast, 5 minutes to breathe in fresh air, and then just walking. But if you're going to Nyabohanse, we use 10 minutes walking, you know, and then 10 to 15 minutes by walking, and then coming back just 30, let me say maybe 5 minutes, like 10 minutes eating food, you know. We waste close to 1 hour. So for that like for that scenario, I try, you know, to say no. I had, you know, to give them food, breakfast, lunch, and I pay them the exact money, because maybe one day when I need them again, they will come. They say, oh, when it's hello baby, let's go. You know, sometimes it's good to confuse people's mind, you know, like, oh, when you go to hello baby, that one #1, because hello baby, he pay us, you know, exact money, lunch is there, breakfast, things like that. I don't want to, like, you know, to bull people, like no lunch, no breakfast, you go there and that. No. So that's how things they are. And me sometimes, you know, I would advise maybe for those people who are building, I know majority of you offer breakfast, lunchtime, but when I was working as a handman, let me tell you one thing, especially there's one of my neighbor closer here, I worked there, like they didn't offer anything, so they pay you money, so the money that you get, by that time I was being paid around 400 shillings, that's for like $3.50. So I need to eat breakfast, lunch. In the evening time I go with around maybe 250 because construction is not easy. Anyway, that's how things they are. And over here, that's my great grandma home, and yeah, things just look fantastic. I mean, when you see that house, it's all my all my struggle. People offer some trees, like donate trees, may go with power, so I split, and I bought around iron sheet there. Like, I don't want to talk too much, but when you see that house, it's courtesy of you and Hello Baby, so me, let me wear the cape because of sun, and oh my god. Oh. Like that. Engineer, pande kuna kivuli kizuri. Sasa nikawaangalia. So guys, we are measuring the sand here. Bye. Asubuhi mlipima ngapi?
12.
Sasa hari kana. Weka.
Namba 1.
Kentano Mungu mwana. Kolo. Na pesa yenu tu ya masiku. Mtaweka 12. Unajua mchanga ilinyesha. Taka 12.
Sai.
Ulinyesha ni mzito.
Oh, itikija.
Just hivi mweke 12, mweke mifuko 3.
Sasa hiyo. Amtuzo kwa sapini. Nne.
Sikuna kale kanusu kalibaki.
Kasimiti.
Kapo.
Kapo.
Pembeni hivi utaenda uone mchukue mweke. Mnaweka 3.5, si ndio? 1.5. Na kale kanusu upige ndani.
4. 1.5.
Wheelbarrow 4. Wameambia tu achanganye 4. Eti mafundi. Koroga 2, piga 8. Hivi wheelbarrow 8, mifuko 2 utachukua nusu yakiana ndani. So guys, let's check. We are talking about how to measure the sand. 8 wheelbarrow, 2 bags of cement, and we have also half bag of cement to put them. We need good quality, like we don't want fake thing here and there, So let me check. I'm telling you guys, look from me. We are pushing. Word from Africa, not Africa. Oh, that's the wall. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about. Look. Day by day. Very tall.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4. 74. Now quick, you say is still ngapi? Still a piece.
Bonge, what's going on?
We are here. We are building.
Okay, you build.
We are going through.
Okay.
Yes. How is the job going? You see?
I see the job very fantastic.
Guy. Say anything that's wrong and right, eh?
Not wrong. Lakini kumbuke yangu kupiga hapa kamba. Nikira nataka kutuno somboro. Afa watu nimwambia ongeza ratio kidogo. Wacha simiti ziishie hapo tujue ziliishie hapo.
Tuachie hapo. Lakini kazi nzuri.
Kazi nzuri tata za kazi. Hii ratio ongeza kidogo. Niko sawa lakini utaongeza kidogo.
Sawa.
Masa wimbo ya reto musense numulito yenku yigatera kwa. Musigonge ukuta. Sasa ngoja niwaulize. Mnashinda kubeba block 3 mkikuja. Block hata 2 mkikuja.
2 tingo mkikuja. Ikipinde kera agakora umujana. Nono babo.
Take 2 blocks. Block 2 mutabomoa hapo.
Wakikurinja hapo
hata lunch, breakfast. Na naenda na nyumbani hata na 250. Si bora ni ship.
Na maisha rosa kitara.
Hata tatikifika pale hivyo mweke renta. Mweke kozi 3 juu. Takui mebaki nini? Tena mambo mengi ya fututisi. Si yuko sawa?
Sasa wivanga sana na madirisha.
Dirisha sikupe oma. Nitakuwa napata pesa naeka 2. Siwezi weka once. Najua aluminium.
Let me give you. Siku hizi hatujengi na aluminium.
Sina choma girili kwanza.
Choma grill. Kubwa enda kwa mahiri paruone.
Najua madirisha yangu yanalingana hivi dirisha. Ndio nakwambia anko, nitakuwa nachoma dirisha moja. Si lazimishi moja.
Sasa usichome dirisha.
Si dirisha hiyo girili.
Kununua. Go find somewhere that there is electricity at Nyabwana. Buy materials. Pay fundi.
Yes, I will buy material. In Marwa, Migori. I know that's chuma ya doshi. Wewe mura simu yake mkuja haraka hata story. Sasa bro kutana mnakaa kuongea. Walikuja wakitaka kazi asubuhi. Tayari same story.
The thing has gone in my eyes. The thing has gone in my eyes. The thing has gone in my eyes. Guys, the thing is
buy sunglasses, bro.
Buy it for us, bro. You know, these things.
Karao mwana kujigatara kare vipi hapa?
Bangi iko wapi?
Wewe
acha mza.
Stone shara mai.
Here we are. We are pushing. There is the final.
Yeah, that is final. Mimi naambia mnachukua 2 mnakimbia 2 ya tosha hapa.
Kwani wapi?
Let me look for you panga.
You need the panga.
Umo hakuna. Simtafute panga. Ona again. Wakati wewe unapatiana, wewe nenda uchukue 2 ukikuja. Bora unakaa.
I need the panga.
Mlieko wapi panga? So guys, we are looking at the panga. Machete. Hapa hakuna panga. Kwani mlieko wapi panga? Narasi. Mbona wapi panga? Panga. Kwa. Wapi? Hapa hakuna panga. Narasi. Sioni mifuko 2. Kuna 1.5 hapo utaona. Leta yote. 2.5. Wewe weka ile nusu hapo. 2.5. Amnyaka wirbano. Ndiche mesem. Sawa. Utaleta ile nusu. 1.5. I told him to bring 1.5 bag of semen. Umepata panga? Si ndo hiyo. Ndo hiyo hapa. Wakati unakopa heri wataole tabira unamwekea hapo. Keke ba ubundoro bangu.
This person is
Okay. The good thing about machine cuts, no pieces. Here you cut. Hey, wewe rusha tu mablock hapa. Yura kirep. Ukichoka unabadilishana. I'm telling him you just push machine cuts. There's another guy bring from outside. When one is tired, it's changing. Wana memata kama yawe no ango wangu ihomera.
Bona havira kenda akora mbele nse pili bitofalire hekera hayo.
Sasa juu sababu wewe kuna mchanga humu watatumia.
Do bring them cement and add more cement. Add more. The mchanga, there is mchanga here. There is mchanga.
Kwa nini anko uendelee hapo?
There is mchanga, there is no tofali. Oh, giving the mchanga.
Tofali zipo hapa watakupatia.
No mketi hapa kutongiri kijoini.
Haya.
Usipamu. Sio ngindi.
Kwa nini unakosa kosi ngapi hapa? Sasa acha wakutumie wakati huo. Lakini I need good ratio.
There is no mjanga.
No mjanga.
There is no coco. Mwatengira muno musense.
Garasi.
Esen.
Deve que se meteu rata.
Yeah. I've been gone far away.
Band hana wiki.
Hey. Sogeza.
Mora.
Ha?
Ndio mtoroke hayo kama tofali. Mami yale ni mtaka yala kena haga chekosi. Ine. Ine. Wayaka.
Hale. Ibo wana hasuku.
Usire bani bora yaka.
Ni mazito sana. Guys, today let me show them some example. Like I have, experience. Yeah?
Hello baby, I'm thirsty.
Yeah?
Give me some water, please.
That's a kirunya man.
Give us some water.
I want to show them example. This guy, kubeba block. I want to show them some example. Like I have, that experience. Yeah. Ndio nishike kamera vinaonyesha watu. Hold there. Rudi nyuma. Mbebe hai. Oh, chane sauti hana achete. Okay guys. I want to show this guy. Like I have, experience. These two. And then these three. Show them. Yes, show them. These three blocks. Follow me, Kabambe. Let's go. On. That's 3 blocks. But this one here have some crack. Faz que tá andando itatumika. Oi. Hauna itoa vizuri, itatumika tu.
Ajiisha chanika.
Push them, you see? It's because this block is very heavy and it's rain on top. Mwaga hapa msinani. Mwaga mnagonga hapa. Eh. Nzima.
Very stuffing.
Wenge isimiti. Ata misimiti gote mangarasi. Acha kubembereza muri. Tu isimiti. Wenge ruwe gote ma. Mako sango mako komere hands. You isire. Haya, changanya. Good. Pole. Umona. Chunga sana. I'm telling them, be careful. No, these are very heavy. Very heavy. Now let me go outside a little bit at the back, right there. And I show you. Here it's already reached at the river because we're going to put here the grill. So the only water going higher is this one. Usatani giriri where? Iko rafu hapa sikata kwa joint. Si itakuwa kuja hapa. Utajenga hivyo tu hivyo mpaka juu. Okay. Yeah, I was asking one of the mason right there. Is the height of the window grill here? And this wall going up to the rental because sasa itaenda hadi hivi. Afu rent endi shike hii. Hapa. Siku ya rent itafungwa hivi shike hapa. Wagwan. So, yeah, it's good to ask. Siku ya rent. The day that we're going to fix rental. Woo! Guys, do you believe? I'm telling you. So now you see the neighbor when they're passing on this road here, they will see wall. It's only God. It's only God. It's only God. You know. Blessing. Anytime. Oh.
Again.
Kari mkungora ropa magenga msubate mwe. Kungora ansika kaya kaperekir.
Here I'm laying
The motor.
Eh. Nkuguri. Mura. Wango tabi ko ni skuli nkuhira.
So guys, I think I'll volunteer here, pushing this to that. Let me put my camera down. Uwe, asomba mate sombe ga hai. Mate ga hai. Iya. Asombe ga. Yene. Kama iri ga ha. Da ko iri ga mbarero. Guys, I wanna volunteer. I'm telling you guys, friendly indeed. Manta nonga nywa manche. Eti? I'm volunteer, guys. Volunteer. What next? Woo! I'm working as a handman. It's mine. Huh? All of this I'll push to him. Support that guy who next on this. So guys, I'm heading to Bohanse and I'm going to make the payment of the timbers that I pick. There is, I think, on Saturday. Yeah. So I think on Saturday I pick some timbers. Then I need to make payments. Yeah, man. So you know, sometimes it's good when somebody give you something and you didn't pay money. When you get money, you pay. So I'm going to pay around 5,500, and also we see what's supposed to do. No. So that's Rinto. I miss this place, I'm telling you. Another Rinto, the house to rent. So this is Nyabohanse for you, and in case maybe you are new here, subscribe, tune in, you know. Nyabohanse for you to pay the money here. There is a day I pick some timbers here. How you get it? How get it? 5-1. Marab. 6-1. Ndoi.
6-1. 07.
Bana una 5. I need to pay. Oh. Tunande 5-1 ndayapo chimbao renga. Lakini
Tutana 5-1 6-1.
si ndio amesema 5-2 iko.
5-2 iko.
Eh. I need to pay money. Ni shilingi ngapi?
Gani 5-1?
Deni yako.
Sijui 5,540.
Deni is debt. Debt. 500. Bring change. I need change. Mokao marasara ne.
Anandanyo ga mkungu wale. Hello baby.
Tumambe 5-1 6-1 chochi ni renga. Sirichono rangu mimi fast. Akicho bana. Eno rangu mimi bana nongusa kuchinyore. Haki mu.
Baada ya siku ngapi? Abantu atamba kwa manyani murota ko somboro gwatagamba.
Aikipatikana ntare tanda wote bicho usichuri. Akitaremba onchondo ache kwinuke. Sikikata wiki hata mwezi kwanza.
Mwezi hapana. Tukunyuria ruturakenya pia mustuni akiko kwa moja mbili.
Tiga ni muburi ni renga tuko ndenganyo chibora.
Sawa. Ayo bueno acha anotori. Rina oreyo.
Guys, I'm from Nyabohanse, and I was making the payments of the timbers which I bought on Saturday, and I want to say thank you everybody for supporting me by watching my videos, and may God bless you. So it's drizzling, as you can see. Even my leg have some water. Look right here. Wait, you see drizzling. Look. So let's see how things go here. I don't know whether it's lunchtime or not.
Hello, baby.
Wangu huko. Okay, unaunyiga.
Nimeunyiga.
Unaunyiga. Sasa una helmet ungefanya kazi.
Hata reflector sina.
Engineer vipi?
Tunakula.
Nikununulie?
Hizo vitu, helmet, reflector, gumboots, safety boots.
Sasa ingekuwa nakukata 200 sasa hivi una gumboots.
Si kukataa, si nilikwambia nikakubali.
Bado wakati
kuna maongezi fulani nataka kufanya na wewe.
Najua. Kama wiki hivi sasa. Kisema you tenda hiyo.
Number 10.
Fresh. I've already finished eating. Kama na maperu kunyera mzee. Wote?
I'm eating now.
Sasa wewe nani nakwambia unabakisha ugali? This fermented milk. And sudden muhabibi huroi.
Tu ndile lakini mkuya sana. Kama sukuma.
Kama nirudi nitaye,
Si kama sukuma.
Kinachopatikana tata mnakula tu hata mengo twende. Monte merejo. Katora hanumze. Tata kora makiusu. Yeye ndio mnifanyia lakini ile kwenda utembea hadi Nyabwansi urudi. Ni waste. Yeah. Hata mimi ngoja nile. Mama. Then ask my mom food. I'm totally hungry. Vipi? Hobole? Yeah. Na mabele ga bono. Haya, tanga mba bihuru bino biho. Ibihuru, ugali kidogo tu na bihuru. So, it's a small sardine fish. Even me, I'm totally hungry and I need to eat, you know. Gini changanya simiti muda, hakuna mvua. Hey, tata Zakayo. Si utapita? Mkimaliza mwingine atajenga hapa. Sawa. Now I'm happy, guys. May just come home, I found things go the way I want. You know. Me, I'll show you every step. I'm gonna show you nothing to be hide, you know. And we are pushing, you know. And then we are remaining with backfilling because we wanna levelize the house. We use that muram for the toilets and borehole. We backfill everything here. So we wait for the steel bar. Guys, kindly, if you feel free to support me in terms of steel bar, my number is on the bio. You can contact me. Only $400 I can buy steel bar for the rental, you know. From the foundation up to where I reach, man, I'm telling you, I'm trying my best, you know. And also you guys, you really supporting me, like, hey, hello baby, congratulations. And I'm keep moving on, you know, moving on like never before, you know. I know it's not easy from maybe foundation up to this level here. Me, I said, God, thank you. Thank you so much. But what I'm missing here, and me, to be honest, only steel bar, you know. And then we tie the rental, and then we mulch that house halfway. We build the porch. That one I don't want to talk too much, maybe day by day. No, that one, when the moment you see me like putting the rental after getting maybe 400, I don't know when, but when God opened the door, we shall move on, you know. And this house, guys, I'm not building like it's meant for my family. Also, you guys, when you visit my village, you'll get free accommodation and everything. Maybe you enjoy nature from my village here, you know. Yeah, that's how we keep, you know, support each other, you know. Yeah, I don't know, maybe when you visited me here, like no place to accommodate people, you know, like no place to accommodate my visitors. No. I want to try my best as I can, and to see how we move on. These are progress, man, day by day. And no one who believe my dream in my village here, you know. So today, villagers will see the wall. I'm telling you, villagers will see the wall, you know. This is the wall of Africa. Yeah? The wall of Africa. I'm telling you, you know. Yeah. Sometimes when I see this wall, look from other side. All of Africa raising up day by day. Anyway, let me have lunch and then we're gonna push from there. But kwa neta hapo ni here Jacob. Gini, simusema simiti na ku. Wow guys, now it's 15:40. That's 3 p.m. 40 minutes. My watch time in Africa, and right now let's see how we push the wall. I think maybe by tomorrow I could need maybe 3 to 2 mason, whichever the case. Let's see. Because I had more story here. You know, like yesterday I have been told you, you know, on Monday neighbor will see the wall. That's my engineer from a distance. Okay. Look, in Africa we have fertile land, but if you didn't have money to buy seed, to buy fertilizer, to hire a tractor to plow your land, you can't plant maize like that way, you know. Also them, it's need, you know, like here and there. Now I'm full, guys. Look. What next, Tata?
Here we are finishing.
Only here. Tarakoti copper. Give it to some answer them, Jeffrey. Sinivira turionge. Kweli kitu ni concrete. Inakauka hapo na hapo. When it's reaching the time of payment, hey, sometimes it gives me headache, you know. Huh?
How guys?
You good?
Yeah.
Shoulder block. Come again. Sure. Chicheve mselele kota bere. Chicheve wafundi. Atema shwa. Icho. Tagacha tuikan. Kwani? Isto mmeibadilisha.
Aje.
Oh. Murai. Today nini kuna foi ko open. Ngoja niulize. There's a mistake here. And you pay that cement. Ichi. Si jikoni inakuwa na dining nini open. Sasa mbona mmefunga ukuta? Bomoa tu.
Karinge kamera.
Haina shida. Watajua.
Yeah, I know.
Look from this side. Also from this side here. It's raining. And they try to chase us from the construction. So the mason will keep going. Look. Huh? That's the house. Huh? From here. Look. Huh? Up to that corner right there. Huh? So me, I keep praying like God, you know, for this far that I do. I wanna say thank you. Rain is coming. They try to chase us from the construction, but when it's go this way, you know, and I'm telling you, when the neighbor are passing here, they can able to see. Woo! I'm keep playing, guys. I'm praying like this rain to be go like 30 minutes or 1 hour. My mason to be finished up. Uncle Muita, jengeni tu pole pole, hamna mvua. Nawaambia hakuna mvua, jengeni taratibu tu. I'm telling them, just build slow, no rain, because when it's raining, And also, guys, apart from that, we finished 2 lorries, you know. Hey, and then we start again. The 3rd one. This is the 3rd one. When we count 20 lines, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
The last and final.
Bana mtoki nao pamoja.
Wamesema tuwapatie, ujue yalikuwa yamenyeshea.
Sasa mkitoa hivi mtu ni rahisi aje aibe usiku. Sawa, twende.
Ni leo walikuwa wamesema azin tumeona like ya kuoga na nini na maji. Pero na raho pero.
That's my engineer's bike. Acha kusanya matope mura. Usikusanye matope, achana na kusanya tu upeleke enda.
Tuko kwa msingi hapa
sasa. Bana usipeleke matope.
Tuko kwa msingi.
Tataweka zia tu pole pole. Mvua hakuna. Kiwezekana tunaweza pima simiti. Kiwezekana tunaweza pima simiti, hamna mvua. I'm telling him, if it's possible, no rain right now, I keep hold on my heart like a little bit until we finish up. This is an open kitchen. Nishaambia mvua haipo. Kazi yenu tu taratibu. Pole pole. Tora kateme kabiro eh.
Bado. Nguikale ndaweza kwa kazi yake.
Bado ichire man.
The rain is coming.
Hakuna mvua isha.
Give me one block. Give me one block, so my boss. Sister. My boss. You know we used to work together. This is how you used to carry this things.
Yes.
The rain is when the raining you want
hakuna nyafanyeni tu pole
Give me
pole.
the kipande. And you see, maybe it's like the end of the world.
Kipande means peace.
That kipande is very big. That is very big. I want small.
Oh my God.
That's the one that we fit here.
Oh, okay.
This cup.
Mimi nawaambieje? Mvua haiko. Mvua haiko. Kuna mvua tatu ya kuochi. Amna mvua. This kipande is okay.
Very okay. I think that
Mule
will
mahai
be
kipande.
better.
Anko muita no rain.
It's the end of the world.
Hata mkisema
It's like the end of the world. You see up.
let me confirm.
When the rain was
Saini saa 10.
saa 10.
Eh? Saa 10 na 43. 16:44. That is around 4:44 p.m. my local time. Yeah. Amekukatia kipisi.
Pissy. Bring the pissy. Bring the fan.
Suchukue kirengaras. Amaga tukara. There's a jug. Let's be here.
Hurry.
Has no blessing.
No. Not hurry. The rain is crying.
Mm.
You know, here we are in Kenya where the rain rains every day. No, since we started this house. It is not like other countries where the rain don't raining.
Ontebi gana kama ligano alengane tofali. Nimagora mengana kana mabu. Tofali onyori akyoge kenge kabwa twa. Na fit ya.
Since we started here, it rains when we are almost done.
Yes.
Bad omen.
Ego me okazia hara.
Sasa ni mcheru.
Guys, I want to end my videos by saying thank you so much, and may God bless you. Huh? May God bless you abundantly. And you know, sometime I was busy with my mason here and there, up and down, right, left, center, but I thank Almighty God we finish in good way. And yeah, that's how people, you know, the mason put clothes down here. Wow. So guys, let me know on these videos what do you think about. But for me, I'm keep pushing my mom's house, and we almost finish the third roll for the blocks, all machine cuts. Imagine 3 track. So this is the third one, and I'm trying to think how that house could be. You know, like one block like this, it will carry the space for 2 bricks. 1 machine cut, 2 bricks goes here. And imagine. So anyway, apart from that, me, I see the progress is keep moving well and fantastic. So guys, I love you. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye.